first visit to the campus and to the microfluidics laboratory. I've had a quick tour of it this morning. It looks absolutely fantastic.
It was about 1 year ago that Science and Innovation Network from the UK kindly funded me to carry out research in the field of water. As part of that grant application, we promised to hold a water workshop, and here we are.
Managing water and access to it is one of the greatest global challenges of the time.
Thank you very much to all of you for taking the time, for all of your effort to be here in person.